All right, guys, it's 4th of July weekend, and we are building a zip line over the pond. If you're new here, hi. Hello, I'm Allie. I live off-grid in this little cabin. Please subscribe if you have not already. So my parents came down and Dylan's parents, but Dylan's mom got the flu, so she had to bail last minute. But they're gonna help us put up the zip line, and we're doing a couple other projects here. Here's my little garden. So those are peppers, my tomatoes, corn and pumpkins. I don't know if I'll get anything. We'll see. So we're putting a zip line over top of the pond so that you can hang on to it and fall in the middle. So it should be fun. Our zip line's gonna go from this tree, that tree over there. So they forgot to send a part of the zip line, and it's the part that pulls the line tighter and tighter across the pond. And so we have to figure out how to pull the line tight without that piece. So Dylan's up on the hill behind the tree, trying to pull it taut so that we can get it around the tree.